In this video, let's talk about how to use your Android device without having a Google account. Welcome back everyone to this new guide video. Now the main thing or the first thing that you need to do is bypass the initial phone setup. So whenever your phone is new, the phone will by default ask you to enter in or add in a Google account. What you simply need to do is tap on skip and simply bypass the initial phone setup. Now in terms of using Google Play Store and downloading the application, you'd be able to use a inbuilt application. So for example, if you're using a Xiaomi phone or a Mi phone, you'd be able to see an application called Get Apps, where you'll be able to find all of the applications similar to Google Play Store, and most applications will be available inside of this platform. So if you're using Samsung as well, you are able to see a particular application that is similar to Get Apps. Now, for some reason, if this application is not available on your Android device, in this situation, what you need to do is open up a web browser. Simply search for f-droid.org. This is an open source website or a platform which lets you download any sort of applications that you want for your Android device. So once you're inside of this website, make sure you first of all download the F-Droid onto your device. And once you have downloaded, basically you will get a similar interface where you'll be able to download any sort of applications that you might need. So this is the exact process that you can follow in order to use Android without a Google account. If this video did help you out, be sure to let me know. I'm going to see you in the next one.